In this video, we'll show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Subaru Baja. These are located in the front of the vehicle and on top of the windshield. Let's get started. You can pick up on the wiper blade. We have a small tab that we can push down on. And push down on the wiper blade and remove it from the arm. Make sure you set the arm down carefully. You don't want to break the windshield. To install our new wiper blade, simply line up the wiper blade with the end of the arm and pull towards the end. Make sure it's fully seated. I'm not going to pull back off without pressing down the tab. Don't forget to remove the sheath. And we can set the arm down carefully. And we can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.